viewers, in this video we are going to see the we are going to draw the isometric view of a material, okay, the one which you are seeing in the screen. So this image we are going to draw in this AutoCAD. By using AutoCAD software, we are going to view this isometric view of this object, okay. So we will be going to view this one, okay. So for that we are going to see in this AutoCAD, okay. So this is another video in which I will be showing you the one of the basic models of isometric diagrams, okay. So before that, let's go here and give our units, limits and dimensions, okay. So for that I am clicking here UN, okay. So here UN has been appeared, okay. Click on this units option. So here you have to select this decimal, so I am selecting decimal. Here I am selecting as 0.0 meters, okay. So if you want, you can also go for this engineering. So but here now I am going for the decimal one, the precision be 0.0, and click on OK option here. So the units have been set. Next we are going to for the dimensions, so click on D, enter, okay. So after clicking that, we are going to give the dimensions, okay. So for that, let the dimension be of decimal only, so precision be 0.0, okay. Click on OK option here, click on close option here. So the dimensions has been given. Next we have to give the limits for that one, okay. Click on LIM, enter, okay. So here we have to give the limits for the model, okay. So click on 0, 0, enter, and next we have to specify the upper right corner, okay. So for that I am giving it as 100, 100, click on enter, okay. So the limits has been given for the drawing sheet or the workspace setup, okay. Next what we have to do is we have to draw this in the isoplane, okay. So for that, here I am going to off the grid mode, okay. So here the grid mode has been off. So but before that, let us go in this isoplane view, okay. And next we will be going for this one, okay. So here I am clicking isoplane left and I am clicking on this iso draft, okay. So it has been given as far here you can see, okay. So if you want, this lines is causing a disturbance, so we are going to unview this. That means we are not going to give this one, okay. So for that, here you can see the grid mode. I am deselecting the grid mode, so here you can see, okay, that the grid mode has been given, okay. Next we will be drawing the model which as I have shown you previously here. So this model is we are going to draw, okay. So for that, let me go in this AutoCAD command and I am selecting here as line, okay. So first I am selecting this point here. So from here, before that I am clicking on this F8 option, okay, so that only the orthogon will be given, okay. So from here to here, okay, let us take it as a 1 mm or let us take it as a 10 mm, okay, 10 mm. Click on enter option here, okay. So let me zoom it. So here you can see, okay. So from here onwards we will be drawing this side and for this side also, okay. So for that, let me go here and select this point and we have to give that one, okay. So before that, okay, from here I will be giving, okay. So let the distance be 40 mm from here, okay. Click on enter option here, so it has been given. Next we will be from here onwards we will be giving this towards the diagonal. this option, and next we have to join this one. Okay, so here you can see, click on this one and click on escape option here. So it has been given, so that means, so here you can see this has been given. Okay, so what before that what we have to do is we have to give this one also. Okay, so for that I'm going here, this I'm going to give this one. Okay, so for that go here option. Okay, click on this line option here, and next, so we have to erase this one, but from here to here let us take it as, sorry, first let me delete this option. Okay, so for that click on this delete option. It has been deleted. Okay, since it is 40 mm. Okay, so here we are going to take it as a 10 mm. So for that click on this option here, and I am going this direction with 10 mm. Click on this option. Okay, so and I am going upward direction and I am giving it as a 10 mm. Okay, click on enter option here. Okay, and in this direction I am going 20 mm. Okay, so click on this option, and next here you can see in downward direction we are going to give it as a 10 mm. Okay, so and I am going to give the direction as 10 mm. Click on enter option here and click on OK option here. So here you can see it has been given. Okay, so that means in image you can see, so this part of the image has been given. Okay, so next we will be giving this one also. Okay, so for that go here. Okay, after going here we have to give this side. Okay, so for that what we will be doing is we will be going to this side. Okay, so for before that let us give from here to. Okay, so here you can go and select here, and let us click on this FY option here. Okay, it's going to be isoplane top. Let us go to the isoplane right. So we are taking isoplane right. So click on this line option here. So click on here, from here to here how much the length will be. Okay, let me see from this and let us assume this. Okay, since it is 40, so we will be assuming it as, okay, 80. Okay, so let us assuming it as 80. Okay, click on enter option here. So here you can see it has been given. Okay, so we are going to give the upward direction also. Okay, okay, upward direction, but how much? Okay, so let us see in this one. So here you can see the upward is, so upward is taken as 2. Okay, so for that means from here to here also one we have taken. Okay, so we will be taking this as, from here to here we have taken as 10. Okay, from here to here we have taken as 10. So it will totally it will be of 20. So I am considering it as 30. Okay, so for that go here and let us give it as a 30. Click on this 30. Click on here. Okay, so after that what we have to do is we have to give this towards this direction. Okay, so for that go here in this option. So how much it will be the distance. Okay, so here you can see it is of 2, so we will be giving it as a 20 mm. Okay, so for that let us see first. So 20 mm how it will be. Okay, so here 20 mm is being provided. Okay, so next we have to give this to this direction also. Okay, so for that let me see there are any, so here you can see that any of the forces are not being present. Okay, so for that here you can see from this image we are going to draw this side, and after that we are going to draw this side, and we are going to draw this line also. take this one. Okay. So for that, so first of all let us draw this outside one. Okay, so here from here to here you can see that the distance is 1.20. that means it will be of exactly of 115 mm. Okay, we will be assuming it has 15 mm. Okay, so from here to here, so let us go here and let us click on this escape option here. So as we can see from here to here it is a 15 mm. so click on this line option here. Okay, so from here to here it is a 15 mm. so click on this option here. Okay, so click on escape option here. Okay, click on this one and let me select and click on this and give it a 15 mm and click on OK option here. Okay, same way we have to go to the here and we have to give it here as a 15 mm. Click on. Okay, it has been given. Okay, next what we have to do is we have to give the projection from here. Okay, so before that I will be going for this isoplane left and we will be taking that one. Okay, so here you can take isoplane left. Okay, click on this line option here. From here we have to take it as a length, how much it will be, approximately of 40 mm. Okay, click on this option. Okay, next we will be taking this by clicking on this isoplane right. Okay, so in isoplane right we are going to give it as 20 mm. Okay, let us click on this cancel option here. Okay, so next what is the part which is been left is that, so we are going to draw this part. Okay, so for that we have to draw these lines of these joints. Okay, so before that let us see what is this distance with him. Okay, so from here to here you can see it is of 115 mm. so here from here to here it will be of approximately of distance of 20 mm, or let us consider it as 25 mm. Okay, so for that before let us see here. Okay, click on this line option here and let us give from here to here at another 25 mm. Let us see 25. Okay, so here you can see, so in this way it has been done. Okay, so from here to here you can give it as 25 mm. Click on the center option here. Okay, click on escape option here. Okay, next let us see what will be the projections which will be reached. So from here to here we will be giving this type of one. Okay, and you are going to give this one also. Okay, so for that go here and okay, since it is in this direction only, so here we will be giving the okay, click on this cancel option here. So from here to here, so here you can see it has been given. Okay, next by clicking on this isoplane right. Okay, left to click on this option. We have to give this from here to here and click on escape option here. So here you can see it is being given. Okay, so let me see. Click on escape option here, click select from here to click on this option here, click on this one, click on escape here. So here you can see it has been given. Okay, so as per our desired one. Okay, so if you want to produce this towards an upward also, So you can give by producing this to the that side. Okay, so but now I am not going to do that. Simply we have given this isometric projection, so let us place a circle here. Okay, so for that this I am clicking on this iso circle here. So I am giving the radius as 5. So click on OK. So guys, here you can see in this way we can place a different types of circles, etc. Okay, different types of ways you can give this one. Okay, so in this way an isometric view of this one has been given. If you want, I can give the dimensions also. Okay, so for that first of all let me give this option here. So okay, so here you can see we can give here the radius as r. So we are going to give the radius as r as 5. Click on enter and next click on this right mark here. So here you can see the radius is 5 here. Okay, that means the radius is 5 mm. Okay, so if you want, okay, you can give here also. Okay, click on this option. Okay, so here you can see this is the radius of 5 mm, and we can also give the angular dimensions for this type. So here you can see this is the 40, that means 40 mm. Okay, so you can also give this. So let me give the dimensions from here to here. So it is of 80 mm. Okay, so let me give these dimensions from here to here. So it is of 20 mm as you can see. Okay, so from here to here, so it will be of 10 mm. Okay, same continuous here. Okay, so from here it is same, so from here also it is same. So if you want, you can also give these dimensions from here to here also you can see. So it is of 15 mm. Okay, so all of these dimensions are in mm only. Okay, so in the next video we will be covering another isometric projections. Okay, thank you guys, thank you.